good afternoon,
Good
and
afternoon.
good to see you. When is the date of joining? 1st July that you said, is it?
Yes, sir.
At AFA,
Yes, sir.
but branch is yet to be declared, right?
No, so the branch isn't declared yet.
So when do they declare it actually? Any idea?
Sir, they everybody mid of June. Also, when I checked the previous list, which for the last previous batch, that also came in mid of June only.
Okay, chalo, something. So Sakshi has qualified for AFCAT, and now she is also in merit. All India rank 15, if I'm not wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong. 15, right?
Yes,
All India
yes.
rank 15 and raring to join Air Force Academy. Congratulations, first of all, Sakshi, and good to see you. And please tell something about you, your journey, your education, your life. I think you're from Shimla, right? Right now, also. So please go ahead.
So my name is Sakshi Komar, and I'm from Shimla. I've done my schooling from the convent Tara Hall, and later I have done my graduation in BSc Mathematics from Vanasthali Vidyapeeth. So this thing of joining Air Force came back in when I was in class 9 altogether. All I wanted to do was different in life and serve the country. That was the only thing that was there in my mind. So this journey started from there. Just to become an officer because I don't come from a defense background and nobody around me is in defense. So I started reading about Air Force, how officers are, how things are there. And I started inculcating those values and those things in me. So luckily, I still remember there was a teacher in our school. Her name was Ma'am Pushpa. She was my Hindi teacher, and everybody feared her a lot. But one thing which I liked about her was and which actually improved was the discipline. Like if she said the ribbon should be of some meters, it should be of check that thing for us. And if your skirt should be till your knee length, it should be till then. If it's up, she will not leave you. Your hair should be properly combed, your shoes should be polished. So these were some small things which actually helped me to become disciplined later. Like even now, if I'm going, I'll check whether my shoes are polished or not, whether my hair is combed properly or not. And I guess these are small things which actually matter a lot when you go for our interviews also. And of course, when you have to become an officer, you have to dress well.
Great. And you said कि ninth से कुछ हुआ Air Force. Ninth में क्या हुआ?
The ninth, I wanted, like, that is when I decided I will join Air Force. I wanted to become a pilot initially. So since then, I started reading about Air Force, about how planes are, how planes work, what are there. Like anything is about Air Force, and I'll be there. So luckily, with time, I met certain officers like my mother's friends, my father's friends. Like ऐसे करके connection बनता गया. And I don't know this thing of me was good or bad, but whenever I met an officer, I requested to take me to an air base, whichever is near. So like that, I went to Ambala Air Force Station once, and I saw the landing of Jaguar. So he took me to the ATC, and from there he showed me how Jaguar lands. He also showed me a fact from a distance because that time it had just come there. Also, I went to AFA where I saw the Pilatus aircraft there. I even sat in there, of course, which I cannot sit in right now, and that hurts me a bit. But all these experiences have helped me a lot. Like they have helped me to grow altogether as a person.
AFA में कैसा रहा? How was your experience? वहाँ पे जाने के बाद क्या लगा? Now that you're going back there.
Then I was very excited. Like I went there with a friend of mine, and the moment I reached the gate, there was like palpitation. There were butterflies. Ki,
Hmm.
haan. And this is where I really want to be. This is where I'm longing to be. That feeling which you have, like it's like your home, the secure feeling, the happiness that you have when you're at your home with your parents. That feeling I was having it there. Of course, I know it's not gonna be the same because I'm gonna go through tough training and the things are going to be much different. Of course, I'm not going to get that respect the way I got it there. Nobody said me anything now, so I'm going to be put on a radar. Like I'll have to go through proper training. But it was very nice. I even went and talked to a few cadets there, where they told me about the experience. There was one cadet who got in his 13th attempt, and I was very shocked. I was like what kept you you have to keep giving your exams, and like what was the motivation for you? So he told he left his job and Air Force is the only thing he did. So
So
that I resonated.
he left his job.
Others saying,
Huh. He left his job and he kept preparing for Air
and
Force. But I think
yes, sir. And then
you mentioned to me that Plan B plays a very important role. What is your
yes,
opinion on
so I realized this when I could not clear for my CPSS. That is where I realized I was very shattered that time. That is the time I realized कि plan B होना जरूरी है. Of course, there and in even Dehradun. So I was a very adamant child कि नहीं हो जाएगा. Like that is how parent is, and whenever a person goes for the first time, like नहीं हो जाएगा. क्यों नहीं होगा? मुझसे ही तो होगा. But जब नहीं हुआ तो it was my parents. They always told me कि we should have a plan B because that helps you keep going. And if what if it's not meant, then what? तब क्या करोगे? And it was my father used to stress me about कि see if नहीं हुआ ना, I don't want you to go into depression. So you should have a plan B so that एक साल तुम depression में काट रहे हो और तुम्हारा एक साल और चला गया. इससे अच्छा तुम कुछ productive करके you make your own career. So I had a plan B that I'll be going for civil aviation. I I had I looked into how I could go, and somewhere down the line, this preparation of me having a plan B also helped me grow in my SSB. Like for the first time, I was like very casual. हाँ ठीक है देख लेंगे. But जब नहीं हुआ वो धक्का लगा. Like नहीं
that?
अब कि हाँ क्या क्या होता है क्या क्या नहीं होता है. How can I get in? How can I get to? What all exams are there? And this thing of mine helped me in my second interview where I got recommended.
तो वो एविएशन में जा रहे थे एक तरह से तो सिविल एविएशन में अब शायद ना हो पाए तो डोंट यू थिंक यू आर गोना मिस दैट
No, sir. It was always like it was always Air Force and aviation. I always wanted to serve my country.
Yeah, I think that is how it should be. I mean, ठीक है, you're not flying, but then you're part of Air Force. I mean, that in itself is a statement, right? And then maybe you'll get to work on weapon system. That also is as exciting as flying the aircraft. So, yeah. अच्छा ये बताओ फिर then about your SSP journey. First, tell me about your Vidya honestly Vidyapeeth journey. कैसा रहा and how did it help you? And then let's move to SSP then.
So, sir, in Shimla, it's a very small much opportunities here. So, I was in theatre, I was in dance dramas, I'm a professional dancer, but still, those opportunities which you get to live in planes is like if I compare to the opportunity, I have very less opportunities here in Shimla. So, when I went to Banasthali, like people who from different states, basically from UP, I would say UP, Uttarakhand, and their intellect differed from mine a lot. Like I initially a lot of problems. So I just went for a year because of COVID. I had to stay at home for 2 years, and I went only for 1 year. Like it was in my second last semester, which I went. First, it was the weather. Like here, it is much pleasant, cooler. We don't need ACs, we don't need fans. But there, you can't survive without fans. And like me coming from a hilly area, I of course I needed AC, but I could not get it. So like even if you have an extra fan, it's just giving you hot air. It was like that. So it was a bit difficult initially to attend classes because I used to feel very sleepy. But teachers there are very helpful. Like
Hmm.
told that this is my aim and I am having problem. So they helped me. They didn't. If I used to do say anything to me, they were like, "Ha, we know that you're having problem and it's okay. We're gonna be with you." I used to go for my exams, FCAT exam. There also, and I had to submit an assignment of mine. So I didn't cut my marks. I just told, कि sir ऐसा hai, I cannot do it, or I'll be giving it later. Some anything else for my health issues also. They were very helpful. Even they used to help. Even if you have to ask questions, they'll be there. Till 6 o'clock, they'll be in the campus. You ask them anything, they'll be there to help you. If I talk about the atmosphere, of course, coming from a small city where there are very handful of people here and everybody knows everybody here. Like if you go on the mall road, you'll be meeting ten people there and you'll have to stop at 10 different places to say them hello. But here it was not so because they were coming from different states, different families, different backgrounds. Initially, it was very tough because the mindset didn't match. And of course, like I don't want to degrade it, but there somewhere I found like girls were like, हाँ पढ़ा लिया. There was a handful of them like पढ़ा लिया तो चलो कर ले. And some were like, हाँ चलो देख लेंगे जो होगा. मतलब they were very carefree, but
Yeah.
I like this some like this irritated me a lot because at times my roommates used to be like, क्या करेगी यार, क्यों पढ़ना है तुझे, क्यों इतना टेंशन ले
Mhm.
रही है, you have a good family, you have a good business, क्यों चिंता है. So this thing irritated me a bit. This used to affect my own performance also at times. So with time, when I found the right friends, things did went on a better. Uh,
फ्रेंड्स का बहुत ज़्यादा रोल है साइकोलॉजी में।
yes, sir. Friends have a major role. I feel. Because कहते हैं ना, आप जिस environment में रहते हो, उसका आप जितना भी कोशिश कर ले अपने आप को शील्ड करने की भी, आप पे उसका असर तो पड़ता
असर
ही है.
पड़ेगा ही पड़ेगा। Yeah, this I also believe and I keep telling people. So how did the SSB journey start? How was the experience in the first one? What mistakes you made and what did you change in the next one? So you've been to only 2 SSBs, right?
Yes, sir.
So पहले वाले में क्या गलती की थी? दूसरे वाले में क्या ठीक कर दिया?
तो सर मेरे एसएसजी में सिर्फ आई गेस 1 महीने का डिफरेंस.
हुँ,
When I went for my first SSB, that was in Dehradun. I was like, कोई carefree attitude था ना सर, चल हो जाएगा थोड़ा बहुत अपना. My GK was very good. Like my current affairs were good. I knew that. I was like, हाँ चलो हो जाएगा, देख लेंगे. मुझे पता था कि आप like how planes work and everything. I had a good knowledge about them because during the lockdown, none of us were serious about it. So what I did was I prepared a file where I wrote about the aircrafts, about the missiles. I even read a bit about aeronautical engineering. So this knowledge helped me a lot then. But none of these questions were asked me in my first essay. And जब pressure होता है तो like assessors are very sweet with us. Like our GTO was very sweet. He was helping us. He was telling us. But one thing which I found was quite different was so जो पहला SSB था तो जो group था वो group actually में नहीं था, बस बोलने के लिए था कि एक group we are together. But when I went for my second SSB, that group became a family for me there. Like I still remember GTO. I was in my command class, so I was called the last, so I guess the second last. So uh, जो जो प्लैंक था ना उसको डालना था तो मैं थोड़ा टेढ़ा डाल रही थी. जो मेरा कमांडर था, शी वाज अ वेरी गुड फ्रेंड ऑफ बिकेम अ वेरी गुड फ्रेंड. वो तो चुपचाप ना टेढ़ा डाल दिया कि उसे पता है कि ऐसे ही लगने वाला है, ऐसे गलत हो जाएगा.
हुँ,
देन इन द डिस्कशंस तो देयर वाज सम ग्रुपमेट्स मेरे फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू में एक दूसरे को काट रहे थे, नहीं भाई तूने ऐसा बोला कैसे, मतलब ऐसा हो गया था. जब मेरा सेकंड इंटरव्यू था तो व्हाट हैपेंड, वी बिकेम सो गुड फ्रेंड्स देयर कि ना मेरे सामने वाली को कुछ बोलना है तो मुझे ना आंखों से इशारा करती कि आई हैव टू स्पीक, तो आई यूज्ड टू गेट क्वाइट.
हुँ।
दूसरा दूसरे को कर रहा है तो एवरीबॉडी वाज मोटिवेटिंग इन अदर.
And how many got recommended from that group?
सर ओनली मी.
So वैसे क्यों हुआ? Why did this change happen? फर्स्ट से सेकंड में ग्रुप डायनामिक्स इतना चेंज कैसे हो गया?
सर आई फील कहीं ना कहीं इंडिविजुअलिटी पे भी डिपेंड करता है. लाइक व्हेन आई डिडंट गेट रिकमेंडेड फ्रॉम in my very first attempt, I there was a friend of my father who was in the army before. So I contacted him. I knew him somewhere. I used to fear like tat आ गया तो like मेरा palpitation हो जाती थी यार मैं कैसे लिख लूंगी.
हुँ,
So and whenever I used to write, I used to discuss with my friends. So मुझे हमेशा बोलते this is not you. We don't find you in this anywhere even near. Like you're not this. So when I came back, he told me, you describe the pictures and you write the stories there. So I did it and I sent it to him. Yes, this is not. ये सारा प्रीकंसीव लग रहा है, तुमने किसी का सुन के तुमने छाप दिया है. It's just rote learning and you vomited there. And later on with time, even I realized when I read those stories because ऐसा होता है ना कि you write it and you leave
हुँ,
it. But this time, what happened? Then I started writing stories. Even there's a group of yours where, student aspirants keep on posting their stories and sending pictures. I started writing on those pictures, practicing more. Other than that, I joined NGO because initially, what happened? Experiences weren't mine experiences. Like कोई story आती थी, it was like हाँ ऐसे करना है, ऐसा हो गया, बस it's finished. But when I went to the NGO, I started talking to the children there, teaching them. I gained a lot of experience there. And the NGO which I work, it is Human Home. The main head, I would the sir that who is like operating that, he's very strict. like even if they are they come do not come from a good family and you have to teach them or be very carefree. If you say you have to take a test, it should be a particular way. If you're teaching something, you have to be very specific. So, and you cannot come late. If you come late, even you'll go back. If the students coming late, they are going back, even you'll go back. So he maintained that discipline there, which helped me a lot as a person, to be honest. And being with them, I gained a lot of experience when I had to talk to them, I was to listen to them. Yeah, actually, yes. And even during the lockdown, I connected with this NGO then. So, sir took me to their houses to show how actually conditions are. That I can sympathize with them and I can understand क्या problems है मैं उनको overburden ना कर दूँ homework के साथ कि I'm like generally होता है ना तुमने क्यों नहीं किया वो नहीं कि you have such a good home you have a good environment but then वहीं पर पढ़ना है वहीं पर खाना भी पक रहा है वहीं पर सब हो रहा है so when I started talking to them going around with them I learned a lot of things and I of mine in my
Okay. Basically, interacting with people and having a conversation, having a connection builds ideas, which actually helped you. That is what you mean to say, right?
story.
Okay. Your voice is breaking off. Can you hear me now? Am I
Yes,
audible?
sir.
Yeah. Okay. So now, so what happened? So what changes? So one thing is that you started connecting, and then how was your experience in the second, which you got recommended? How did it go?
So in this SSB, I like in the first one, I was very stressed. Like, कि क्या होगा, क्या होगा, outcome क्या होगा. This time I was like, whatever is gonna happen. Like, ठीक है, I'll see to it. I have to give my best. I'll do my best. And like, I come from a business family, so everything happens late here.
Okay.
We don't get
Mm,
up at 6. Nobody gets up at 6 in the morning in our house.
mm,
And work, you have to go somewhere. We won't. We'll sleep late because gets free late, and I started gym with him. So one thing, like my parents did, they saw that I'm so they tried to motivate me. Like my father started taking me to the gym. Ki nahi tum chalo, you'll do something. You have to go out. Like my mother, she's a tarot card reader. Like, you help me in this. You know that they didn't say कि तुम जाओ कमरे बैठ के चुपचाप पढ़ो कुछ करो नहीं. You have to do things with us. So like of course family support matters a lot. I would say at the end of the day. So later on, I started getting up at 7 in the morning. Like gradually, I started increase because it was 8, then 7, then 6. I started working on myself. I made a proper schedule. I started following it. So all these there were things but helped me to grow because at the end, it's the small things that matter. Your habits which help you to grow and get the personality they wanted there. So in my first SSB, so चलो ठीक है देख लेंगे. I was just graduating from, but in my second, I was a bit. First में I wasn't that sincere. Second, I became much more sincere. I knew what I was doing, and initially we all take decisions in life. Back of the head, we know what it, but we never say it in front. We're not upfront with it. But later on, when I got conferenced out, I sat and I started writing it. Like I took an interview, mock interview from you also. Before मैंने चूज़ किया तो मैंने क्यों चूज़ किया? एक तो बचपन में वाला हो गया कि हाँ, द फाइटर पायलट सो आई वेंट इट. बट रियल रीज़न क्या डाउन? आई everything which I could कि if I've taken a decision and why I took it. I should know it why I took it. It's not कि चलो पेरेंट्स ने बोला ले लिया. Back of the mind में तो हमें भी पता होता है why we are taking it. So there were small things there which helped me in my interview also.
How was your interview there in the second time?
So first method were like very simple. There was normal CIQs which were asked. But
Hmm,
second one was very tricky. So
hmm.
first he asked about tell me something about Shimla. I've always been there, but tell me something else. So I told him some scandalous things which have happened in Shimla, and I didn't make it boring for him. Then he came like if then he asked me the first CIQ which I remember ki, like about me, and then he stopped me there. He's like so passionate about aircrafts. Tell me how an aircraft operates on the taxiway. So it was a technical question, but because what I did was I did a small course on aircrafts, like how it is operated from Coursera. So I knew the answer. I told him. Then I became a bit conscious because he was like, "You're sure this happened this way?" Then he was like the rudder paddles were there. So then और क्या इससे और क्या होता है? You are not telling me the right answer. He kept on pressing me in the entire interview. So he became a bit angry. Like he showed he's very angry with me that, and he's very disappointed that I don't know anything. तो मुझे भी लगा कि यार अब तो आई एम गोना, अब तो इंटरव्यू चलने वाला है, बस इज गोना टेक जस्ट गेट लॉस्ट. देन ही आस्क्ड मी द टाइप ऑफ इंजन्स व्हिच आर देयर. सो दैट उतने तक मुझे बहुत नर्वस ऑलरेडी कर लाइक सर सिंगल इंजन डबल इंजन. तो वो तो डबल इंजन में सेम इंजन ही लगता है. मैंने कहा तो दिस इज वेयर आई वाज लाइक आई फॉरगॉट व्हाट आई हैड टू से. आई डिडंट रियलाइज व्हाट आई वाज सेइंग. आई वाज लाइक नहीं सर यही होता है. लाइक आई स्टिक टू माय आंसर. लाइक इवन यू नो यू आर even I know you're lying, but if you're saying so much, I'll agree with you. Then he started saying, बोलते कि अच्छा you are a shooter. बोलते ये स्कोर था. बोलते तुमने इसके बाद कभी रेंज भी देखी है. Then I had my certificates of my classical dance. So he was like अच्छा तुम डांसर हो. तो बोले फिर तुमने इसका क्या यूज किया. मैंने कहा सर लॉकडाउन में कुछ नहीं था. I made a YouTube channel. I was free that, so I need to do something else also. तो लगा अच्छा कुछ और नहीं मिला तो यूट्यूब चैनल खोल लिया तुमने. तब नहीं क्यों देखने आएंगे लोग. लाइक जो देन ही वाज लाइक ये जो तुम सब मुझे जो भी सर्टिफिकेट्स है तुम्हें लगता है तुमने कुछ महान काम किया है. बोलते दे आर नॉट अचीवमेंट्स अकॉर्डिंग टू मी. तो थर्ड आ गए तो आ गए. एंड ही वाज लाइक आई एम नॉट गोना आस्क यू एनीथिंग अबाउट एकेडमिक्स बिकॉज़ बोलते यू वर फाइन. बोलते तुम्हें तो पता ही होगा मैं क्यों पूछूं तुमसे. So he was like, then he came to I had written that my mother is a life coach. She was like, मम्मी ने चेंज कराया ना कुछ अपना करके एस्ट्रोलॉजी वगैरह करके. Like it was like पहले से सब चेंज हुआ. बोलते what is this surname कोमर क्या होता है. Like he went left, right and center and I literally at a certain point of time had tears in my eyes, but I could not like shed it. उन्होंने इतना I thought मुझे बस अभी वो बोल देंगे get lost. मुझे कन्वर्सेशन यहाँ पे मुझे लगा था कि अब एंड हो जाएगा. But then he's like तुम्हें ये भी नहीं पता. तुम्हें कुछ किसी का ढंग से आंसर नहीं पता. तुम्हें पता क्या है. क्या पूछूं मैं तुमसे. I said sir ask about me. बोलते क्या पूछूं मैं तुम्हारे बारे में. तुम्हें क्या लग रहा है यहाँ पे. He literally shouted at me. I, I just kept quiet and I was just smiling that time also. I was like चलो ठीक है. I know he's testing me but I can't show that I am nervous. I kept on smiling. And he's like अच्छा ठीक है मुझे बताओ तुमने हनुमान मंदिर के बारे में बताया था. उसमें हनुमान जी का कौन सा पैर था राइट. अब मैं माइंड में तो मैं सोच रही हूँ वहां के पंडित को भी नहीं पता होगा ये बात. हाउ डू आई डोंट नो. पता क्या है तुम्हें. ये भी नहीं पता तुम्हें. ये भी नहीं पता तुम्हें आता क्या है. Then he came out to be like बोलते अच्छा which aircraft you have to fly, which you want to fly, tell me about that. So I told about I wanted to fly Tejas. So I told everything about Tejas that I knew from engines to everything. Then he was like चलो ठीक है. These aren't your achievements. You think they're achievements but they aren't. They're not achievements for anybody. Then he's like you must be having some health issues because that time I got dehydrated and I had fever. तो ही वाज लाइक कैसे बनोगे तुम. बोलते पहले ही बीमार हो जाते होगे कहीं भी. तुम नहीं हो इस चीज. नहीं सर आई एम वर्किंग ऑन माई सेल्फ ऑन माई हेल्थ ऑल्सो. Then he was like why do you want. There was a whole conversation. I don't remember exactly but he was like why do you want to be extraordinary. Why do you have to behave in an extraordinary manner. I said because मैंने कहा sir what is the harm in being extraordinary. He was like what is normal also. He literally shouted you're a normal person. And I kept quiet that time also. Then at the end, I remember he asked me, ki, Sakshi, according to you, what are your achievements? So this is the time I was like, he's reconfirming whether I have got demotivated or not. So I said, ki, sir, I came third in my class. Well, this. मैंने कहा, so these are the achievements according to me, and I still consider them. This is the note which he ended. Even my GTO, for the first GTO when I went in Dehradun, was very, very sweet with us. Here, when we went, and I still remember we were tying the log with the help of a rope, me and my other. And because we both could not balance, so we sat on. And he literally shouted on us. He was like, "What are you doing?" And then you say yourself, your repeaters, and हम क्यों नहीं recommend हो रहे? Starting में ना जो height rule था, किसी ने follow नहीं किया. So he was like, he just shut his file which he had. He's like, जोर से बन के, he's like, I don't want to take like I don't want to assess you guys. Like he shouted. फिर थोड़ी देर बाद वापस आए हम थे अब तो गए हम सब लोग.
Hmm.
Like even GTO में I was at the back initially. So ये पहले तो नहीं सब अपने ग्रुप का जो होता है सब uh, like jumps in. So with time, what happened? I came. I said, "Chalo, I'll tell you this. Let's see if this works out." I started behaving in this manner, and this is how I went forward in the your task. And when we were divided into two half groups, so I remembered that my GTO had scolded me, scolded all of us rather for the height इतना है, तो we need something between ताकि हम उसे bridge कर सकें. And uh, just like my like the sir under whom I was working in my NG, even he was like that. I still remember मैंने I had to take some tests और मैंने उसमें ना थोड़ी सी editing में गलती कर दी थी. He scolded me so much. I still remember. कि मतलब how can you like behave in this manner? How can you be so careless? You are a teacher now. You are teaching students. और पढ़ाते हुए भी ना एक बार मैंने गलती से पॉल्ट को पता नहीं तालाब बोल दिया था. I'm not very sure या कुछ. मुझे तो सामने डांट दिया था. तो आई रिमेम्बर कि दिस इज वेरी स्मॉल थिंग बट दे मैटर. सो आई हैड इम्प्रूव्ड दिस थिंग ऑफ माइंड फ्रॉम देयर. सो इवन जीटीओ में व्हाट आई डिड वाज all climbed. I said, wait, we have to at least bridge this distance. So he noted it down. Ki, ha. Then he was like, okay, I know you are aware of the fact, so now you can proceed. And I didn't cut anybody. Like in our first SSB, so we were a group of 7 or 8. Yes, there were 3 of them there who became like they became very close because they were from the same state. एंड वो ग्रुपिज्म चीज आ गई थी तो दे वर हेल्पिंग ईच अदर इन द जीटीओ दूसरे को तो आने ही नहीं दे रहे थे बट इसमें क्या हो रहा था कि आई मेड श्योर आई एम नॉट पुटिंग somebody down if I am not getting the solution I was asking अच्छा you know it okay you come forward and you tell us so it was not like we're pulling somebody down but you're helping the other person to come they're not being able.
So nice, great. So, Sakshi, what is one advice from your side to all the defense aspirants who might be watching this or will watch it later sometime?
So the one advice which I would want to give is that SSB, it's not just an interview where like other corporate interviews where you go, what you produce. It's this is all about yourself. Even if it's about you, the pictures, whatever you perceive, you write. This might be wrong for the other person, but if it's right for you, it should be right for you, and you should write. And whatever you're doing in life, everything comes in front of the assessment that time. So you should yourself should know what to decide and why you are taking. You should not take it as a mere interview or a mere exam you're giving it as your life and you should there are all things in life that matter a lot like I still remember there was an officer who told me like if everything goes wrong in your life start from the very basics start brushing properly start making a bed properly start eating properly and
You're
this is
talking
how you're
about
going
that
to
Admiral's speech, American Admiral, that one?
no, no, sir. I met an officer in. He in AFA. He was in Air Force only before. So when I talked to him, he was like, "You are too shattered in life and you don't know what to do. Start from the very basic things. Start praying to God. Start eating properly. Start eating properly, and then you'll see changes in your life because they're very small things, but they uplift your mood. And even in Air Force or be it anywhere in life, there of course there are going to be ups and there are going to be downs. And when we are at the lowest point of our life, these small things are which take us in life. We should actually focus on a daily should follow it, and of course later on, these things are going to help us to go forward and ace the other things in our life.
Thank you so much, Sakshi, for your time and for your such valuable inputs. Great talking to you, always full of energy. See you soon in uniform and all the best. Always great talking to you.
Thank you so much, sir.
See you. Bye bye. Thanks a lot. Take care.